Welcome to episode 5 of the Diamond Art Garage. Today we'll pick up where we left off in the mobile system design series. Today we're going to answer the question, how much power do you need? To help answer this question, we'll highlight a couple things to consider when selecting an amplifier, such as the number of channels and power output. So let's jump in. The first thing you're probably thinking is, why do I need an amplifier? Well, amplifiers allow you to play your system louder and with higher power output. So this will provide better sound quality. You can also expand your system by adding more speakers and/or subwoofers. The first criteria to consider is how many channels should the amplifier have. So a channel is a power signal that drives a specific speaker. Now typically amplifiers are configured so one channel drives one speaker. Coaxial and component systems are treated as one speaker. For example, if you have a speaker with a tweeter and a mid-range in each door, the amplifier requires 2 channels, one for the left and one for the right. Not only do we assign 1 channel per speaker, but there's also power associated with that channel, rated in watts per channel. This number is typically found on the amplifier's back panel or specifications page. Now, on Rockford Fosgate amplifiers, the model number indicates the total power, which you'll need to divide by the number of channels. Example, our P500X2 is 500 watts divided by 2 channels, or 250 watts per channel. Speakers are rated to handle up to a certain amount of power, rated in watts RMS. This number is typically found on the specifications page. On Rockford Fosgate speakers, it's found on the back of the magnet and indicates the amount of power the speaker can handle. RMS power is the continuous amount of power that each speaker can handle. Now, peak or max power is generally the maximum power a speaker can handle, but for very short periods. Amplifiers produce a specific amount of power per channel. Now, it's important to match the number of channels and power output to the speakers you have in your system. For example, if a speaker is rated to handle 50 watts, the amplifier should produce up to 50 watts for that channel. Now, let's look at the most common types of amplifier configurations possible. There are mono amps, which are single channel designs, typically for subwoofers, and there are multi-channel amplifiers, typically designed for full range applications. Now, the most common type are 2-channel and 4-channel amplifiers. There are also all-in-one 5-channel amplifiers that combine a full range, multi-channel design with a mono subwoofer channel, the best of both worlds. Now that you have a good idea of how to select an amplifier, let's talk about some important accessories that will help you get the most out of your system. Now, charging systems are the most overlooked part of the equation. Without proper current and voltage, the audio system will be starved for power. Make sure your alternator and battery have the capacity to properly power your audio system. The final topic we need to discuss is wiring. Choosing the proper size wiring for your project is also very important. When making your connections, be sure that they're clean, free of oxidation, and properly secured. Now, for amplifiers, choosing the right cable size is essential. We recommend using cables that conform to the AWG or American wire gauge standard to make sure that your wires have the proper amount of copper in them. Okay guys, hopefully this mobile system design series helped guide you through selecting the right components to build your audio system. We'll dive in a little deeper in our next series and discuss how to configure the components of your audio system. If you have additional questions, feel free to talk with your authorized dealer. They're always happy to help you find the best solutions for your system. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. You can catch our previous episodes on our YouTube playlist. Hit the like button and subscribe to see more videos like this one, and we'll see you in the next video.